gracias! Today I am going to show you how to make Tutti Frutti cookies. The Tutti Frutti I will be using for making the cookies are homemade. If you are interested to make the recipe of the Tutti Frutti, then write to me on my channel in the comment section so that I can post the recipe of that video as well. Oops! I completely forgot about the cookies. Now let's get started. Enough talking. The ingredients we need to make the cookies are 1.5 cup nicely sifted flour, 170 gram butter and 3/4 cup powdered sugar, 3/4 cup tutti frutti, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Now let's beat the butter and sugar till it's light and fluffy. Now let's beat it with the electric beater. See, you can see now it's done. Now let's add the rest of the ingredients. Now let's add the flour. Don't add the flour all at once. Add it in 3 lots. Now gently mix the mixture till you get the breadcrumb like texture. Now our mixture starts looking like breadcrumbs. Gently bring the dough together. Do not knead it. Now you can see all our dough has come together. Shape the dough into a long log. Now you can see I have made 2 logs with it. You want, you can make a 1 log also. Now let's cover it with cling film. Now let us keep the log in the refrigerator for 1 hour. So guys, you can see after 1 hour our log is formed. Now let's slice it in 1/2 inch thick. Tada! I have cut all the cookies 1/2 inches thick. Keep the cookies in a greased tray 2 inches apart because they are going to expand. So guys, let us keep the cookies for cooking at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. So friends, you can see our cookies are baked and expanded properly. Now let it cool in the wire rack for 10 to 15 minutes. So friends, you can see after cooling in the wire rack, our cookies are perfectly baked. See how crispy and perfectly it's baked. So friends, that was for today. I hope you will enjoy baking the cookies at home. For more such recipes, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Bye.